च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुख प्रचोदयात् भूतनाथाय विद्महे भवपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात् आदित्याय च सोमाय मंगलाय बुधाय च गुरुशुक्रशनिभ्यश्च राहवे केतवे नमो नमः आञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात् तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात् गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोहिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः सद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशने शुभसुधाय श्रीवरदमूर्तये वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा विनाशकादि समस्त हरिहर देवताभ्यो नमो नमः सर्व अपराध क्षमार्थं सर्वमङ्गलप्राप्त्यर्थं अलङ्कार पञ्चमुखदीपं दर्शयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि दिव्यरक्षां धारयामि इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन मध्यमिदं वातेन सहरेण रक्षां धारयामि ओम हरा ओके सर
Namaste. Can you hear me? Namaste.
Yes, Raju.
Thank you. Thank you. Today, Sri Ram Sarvottam was supposed to do the session. I guess it's probably meant to be because this week has been a blissful, a musical, and magical week. Since Monday onwards, we have been thoroughly enjoying every evening with great music from young children to very professional. And today, Sri Ram Sarvottam is busy with his new job in Tesla. And he just texted me an hour ago. And I asked Meenakshi ji, and you are not new to Meenakshi ji because you all heard her chanting Hanuman Chalisa just like MS Subbalakshmi. We are so blessed to have Meenakshi ji in our life. I think for past at least now 10 years, Meenakshi ji has been part of our satsang, and she is Shamala ji's favorite singer. And she's not only a singer, but you give any words to Meenakshi ji, she will turn them into a magical musical song. You will see some of that. If any of us read, it's so stale, but when she sings, she just brings divinity and infuses so much of life into those words. So Meenakshi ji lives in Dallas in Dr. Anup Shetty's subdivision. So I can say Anup's neighbor. And she's blessed with 2 sons. One lives in Dallas and other one in New Jersey. And Meenakshi ji, she is such a sattvic and humble person. And I don't know whether you want to show your video or say a few words before you begin. Meenakshi ji, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You have said so much about me. I am a very ordinary person. Just I love to sing. That's all. First, I will sing a Ganesha song, which is composed by Dr. Raju. Very beautiful song. So I like to sing this. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Gajanana, Jaya Gajanana, Jaya Jaya Ganesha Moriya. Gajanana, O Gajanana, Jaya Jaya Ganesha Moriya. Aksharaya Sulakshanaya Artarakshakaya Dhimahi Vibhavadanaya Ishtaphaladaya Ishwaraputraya Dhimahi Uruvaradaya Umasutaya Uhatitaya Dhimahi Rishi Sannutaya Ripumardhanaya रूपवर्धिताय धीमहि एकाक्षराय एकदन्ताय ऐहिकसुखदाय धीमहि ओंकाराय निराकाराय महाकायाय धीमहि गजानन गजानन गजानना ओ गजानना अम्बासुताय लंबोदराय आलम्बनाय धीमहि प्रथम देवाय प्रमथनाथाय प्रणवरूपाय धीमहि मूलाधाराय मोहनाकाराय मूषिकारूढाय धीमहि सर्वेश्वराय सर्वाधाराय सर्वमहिताय धीमहि गजानना ओ गजानना जय जय गणेश मोरिया विघ्नेश्वराय विघ्नराजाय विघ्ननाशाय धीमहि विनायकाय विधायकाय विवेकदाय धीमहि गणाधीशाय गुणातीताय गजाननाय धीमहि गणाधीशाय गुणातीताय गजाननाय धीमहि गजाननाय धीमहि गजाननाय धीमहि ओ गजानना गजानना जय जय गणेश मोरिया. Thank you. Then I will sing some shlokas on Saraswati. It is from Kalidasa shloka. I forgot.
Yeah, take your time. So this Gajanana song, as you saw, it is like Aksharamala. So it just follows the letters A, I, U, U. So like that.
Now I will sing.
Yes, please.
Manikya Veena Upalalayanti Madalasam Manjulavagvilasam Mahakendra Neeladyuti Komalangim Matanga Kanyam Manasa Smarami चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावतम से कुचोन्नते कुंकुमरागशोणे कुंड्रेक्षु पाशांकुश पुष्पबाण हस्ते नमस्ते जगते कमातः माता मरगतश्यामा मातङ्गी मदशालिनी कुर्यात् कटाक्षं कल्याणीं कथं पवनवासिनी कथं पवनवासिनी. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. अज्ञान तिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. गुरोरादिरनादिश्च गुरुः परमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Hello.
Yes. Are you going to sing Nada Tanu Manisham next, Meenakshi ji? Okay.
So you will translate first?
Yes, I shall. This Shamala ji has sung during her session, Siva, Nada Tanu Manisham, written by Saint Tyagaraja, and I'll translate so that you can enjoy the song even better. I salute him always in my mind, and I bow down my head every second to the embodiment of primordial sound. Very source of sound and the force behind the sound. Nada Tanu Manisham Sankaram Namami. Siva, the pure, auspicious, and kind. Shankara, Shamkaroti iti Shankara, the doer of good all around. Giver of the eternal bliss, essence of all Vedic science, exalted in the scriptures as very divine. I salute him, the supreme, again and again. The source of 7 musical notes. He is the force with 5 mythical faces, a joyful spectator of depth of music sublime. He is the royal dictator of death and the time. I pay my tribute and homage to omniscient Nataraja, the protector of pure-hearted sage, Saint Tyagaraja, Nada Tanu Manisham, by Saint Tyagaraja.
Yeah, I will sing Nada Tanu Manisham.
Yes.
I'm not a very professional singer, just I will sing. Nada tanu manisham Shankaram Nada tanu manisham Shankaram Nadatanu manisham Shankaram Namami me manasa chirasa nada tanu manisham Shankaram Namami me manasa chirasa nada tanu manisham Shankaram Namami Modakara Nigamotama Modakara Nigamotama Samaveda Saram Varam Varam Modakara Nigamotama Samaveda Saram Varam Varam Nadatanu Manisham Shankaram Namami me Manasa Sirasa Nada Tanu Manisham Shankaram Namami Satyo Jatadi Panchavaktaja Satyo Jatadi Panchavaktaja Sarigama Padani Varasapta Swara Sarigama Padani Parasapta Swara Vidyalolam Vidalita Kalam Vidyalolam Vidalita Kalam Vimala Hridaya Tyagaraja Balam Vimala Hridaya Tyagaraja Balam Nadatanu Mani Shankaram Namami me Manasa Sirasa Nadage Tanu Manisham Shankaram Namami. Hello, you want to say something?
No, thank you. And please go ahead with the next one.
Okay.
Are you going to sing Devi's song next?
Yeah, Devi.
Devi, yeah. So this is again written by me during one of Navaratri days.
Yeah.
And Meenakshi ji has tuned it so well. So you will enjoy it now. Thank you.
Shri Kariyamba Shivaranjani Shri Kariyamba Shivaranjani Shubhakari Shumbhavanjini Shankari Shambhumokini Shambhavi Nishumbhanashini Pasyamam sampasyamam Pasyamam sampasyamam Manjule madhurabhashini Madhavi madhuvidvamsini Mangale Mahitatobhini मालिनी महिषमर्दिनी पाहि मां परिपाहि माम् प्राणदे प्रणवरूपिणी चण्डिके चन्द्रशेखरी चक्रिणी विशुक्रधारिणी चामुण्डी दैत्यखण्डिनी पालय मां परिपालय माम् पार्वती परमपावनी वैष्णवी विश्वधारिणी शारदे वेदसारिणी कालिके अम्ब कलिविनाशिनी रक्ष मां संरक्ष मां रक्ष मां संरक्ष मां कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी कौमारी निजमार्गदर्शिनी कल्याणी करुणावाहिनी कामाक्षी कालवीक्षिणी रक्ष मां परिरक्ष मां रक्ष मां परिरक्ष मां नन्दिनी नादतोषिणी सुन्दरी खेदनाशिनी आनन्दिनी अमृताकर्षिणी कादम्बरी काव्यपोषित पोषिणी कादम्बरी काव्यपोषिणी बोधय मां प्रबोधय मां बोधय मां प्रबोधय मां बोधय मां प्रबोधय मां बोधय मां शिवदे शुभदे समदे नमदे शिवदे शुभदे नम समदे दमदे सुखदे वरदे फलदे बलदे सुखदे वरदे फलदे बलदे अमले विमले कमले श्यामले अमले विमले कमले श्यामले मधुरे चतुरे मृदुले सुदले मधुरे चतुरे मृदुले सुदले सुलभे सुभुजे सुमुखे प्रमुखे अगजे भोग दे काम दे मोक्ष दे अगजे भोग दे काम दे मोक्ष दे अद्रिजे भद्र दे अद्रिजे भद्र दे हे बाले सुशीले प्राण दे मान दे शांति दे प्रशांति दे प्राण दे मान दे शांति दे प्रशांति दे शांति दे प्रशांति दे जय 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 हे जय 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 हे हेलो
Raju, you're muted.
Thank you. Let me be Yak will be the next one, Meenakshi ji. Okay.
you want
Can I read the poem first and then you can sing? Yeah. So this was written during the circumambulation of Mount Kailash. So when you circumambulate, go around Mount Kailash for 3 days. You are with a group. You are on a horse and with a Sherpa, and you walk and you climb down, going around this divine mountain, Mount Kailash. And all your stuff is carried by a yak. A yak is a wild animal and it can carry so much of weight. And it just goes around the mountain again and again again and again, carrying the burden of all of us. And so this is my prayer to Lord Shiva. Let me be a yak, dear Shiva, my Lord. Bless me to be a pet in your backyard. Let me serve you as a domesticated beast, O best of the lords and Lord of the beasts. He's called Pasupati. O best of the lords, O Lord of the beasts. Grazing on the grass of your grace, going round and round till the end, in your endless griefs of mountain grooves, with my round and untiring hooves. The yak's hooves are very round. Walking on tough times of glaciers and ice, dragging my feet on difficulties of rough surface, carrying on my back the burden of human race, yet I never turn away my eyes from your holy face. Resting on the banks of rivers of devotion, surviving bold problems of cold winters with dedication, leading my life devoid of any emotion and commotion, I live and die, giving all I have here for emancipation, my milk, meat, wool, and remains of my digestion, all is useful for this human race and nation. Living my life for self-purification and longing for world glorification. In Sanskrit, Vivekananda puts it as Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitayacha. Living my life for self-purification and longing for world glorification. O Lord, let me be your yak today, to be able to yoke with you one day. Sayiji. Let me be your yak today, to be able to yoke with you one day. Being a yak in your yard today, I'm hoping to become Nandi one day. Nandi is such a great, great character. If you look at Nandi, ever attentive, ever devotional, ever peaceful, and always reveling in bliss, looking at Lord Shiva, thinking of Lord Shiva. Being a yak in your yard today, a wild domesticated pet, I am hoping to become Nandi one day by living to give, leading to guide, and dying to reach your abode. I long to be Nandi, your dear servant. May I ask everyone to mute, please? Those who have not muted. I long to be Nandi, your dear servant, starting at you with devotion. Sorry. I long to be Nandi, your dear servant, staring at you with devotion every moment, meditating on you and your glory, remaining silent, staying alert and live joyfully in present. This is Nandi's character I'm describing now. I long to be Nandi, your dear servant, staring at you with devotion every moment, meditating on your glory, remaining silent, staying alert and living joyfully in present. Let me be a yak, dear Shiva, my Lord. Bless me to be a pet in your backyard, Mount Kailash. Thank you. So Meenakshi ji liked it so much, she actually tuned it into a song. So now you see these
It
words.
is a beautiful poem. Beautiful poem. I like it very much. So I try to sing it because I like singing. That's why. Let me be a your dear Shiva, my Lord. Let me be a your dear Shiva, my Lord. Bless me to be a pet in your own backyard. Bless me to be a pet in your own backyard. Let me serve you as the domesticated beast. Oh, the best of the lords and the lords of the beast. Let me be a your dear Shiva, my Lord. Grazing on the grass of your grace, going round and round till the end. In your endless mountain grooves, with my round and untiring, let me be a yak in your backyard, Lord Shiva. Walking on the tough glaciers and ice, dragging my feet on the rough surface, carrying on my back the burden of human race, yet never turning away my eyes from your holy face. Never turning away my eyes from your holy face. Resting on the banks of rivers of devotion, surviving the cold winters with dedication, leading my life devoid of any emotion, giving all I had to others for emancipation. My milk, meat, wool, and remains of my digestion, living the life on self-purification and for the world glorification. Oh Lord, let me be your rock today. Oh Lord, let me be your rock today, to be able to walk with you one day, to be able to walk with you one day, being a yak in your yard today, being a yak in your yard today. I am hoping to become the Nandi one day. I am hoping to become the Nandi one day. I am hoping to become the Nandi one day. By living to give, leading to guide, and dying to reach your abode. Let me be a yak, dear Shiva, my Lord. Let me be a yak, dear Shiva, my Lord. Bless me to be a yak in your own backyard. Bless me to be a yak in your own backyard. Let me be a dear Shiva, oh my Lord. Dear Shiva, my Lord. Dear Shiva, my Lord. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The next one will be Bhajere Gopalam.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, Meenakshi ji. Yeah. And there is a request, I think it is by Shamala ji. Can you sing Bhaja Govindam? I do not know whether you are prepared for it or not.
Bhaja Govindam. She
Is
wants
it
to sing Bhaja
possible?
Govindam. Okay.
There is a request, so but we could do it after
Some
our plan.
stanza I will sing. Some stanza I will sing.
Some stanzas, beautiful. Okay, so before that, shall I just read the translation of Bhajare Gopalam?
Yeah. Okay. You.
So before that, the story of this yak is Swami Sarveshananda from Chinmaya Mission and Paratmananda and another Swamiji, took us, a group of 40 people, to Mount Kailash. So I am known to be a maverick in the group. And so just, I just probably move around a little bit here and there and then just go to the edge of the mountain or something when we are just circumambulating. So Swamiji said, you are just like that yak. So then I said, let that be a blessing, Swamiji. Let me be the yak. Let me be a yak. So that was a curse and a blessing. And thank you. So salute. Bhajare Gopalam. Salute Lord Krishna, the cowherd. Salute Lord Krishna, the cowherd, and value his sweet word. My friend, elevate your mind above this mundane world. Source of this universe and force behind us. Friend of the pure and friend of the poor, Kuchela. Friend of the pure and friend of the poor, the master of Vedas and the teacher of yogas, Yogeshwara. The enjoyer everywhere and enjoined with everyone, the supreme Krishna consciousness. With more beautiful form and ever dutiful acts, he is a terror in warfield and bearer of the world. He is a savior of sinner and propeller of winner. He is a dispeller of evil and destroyer of the devil. Bhajare Gopalam, Sadashiva Brahmendra Kriti, and Meenakshi ji.
So I will sing Bhajare Gopal and Bhajagovindam also.
Yeah.
Okay. Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Govindam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Govindam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam Bhaj Gopalam Bhajita Kuchelam Bhaj Gopalam Bhajita Kuchelam Trijagangulam Diti Sutakalam Bhajare Gopalam Agamasaram Yoga Vicharam Bhoga Shariram Bhuvanadharam Bhajare Gopalam Manasa Bhajare Govindam Manasa Bhajare Gopalam So Bhaja Govindam. Some stanzas are here. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुग्रकरणे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं मूढजगीः धनागमतृष्णां कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णां यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपहतं वित्तं तेन विनोदय चित्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं यावत् वित्तोपार्जन सक्तः तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः पश्चात् जीवति जर्जरतेः वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं मा कुरु धन जन यौवन गर्वं हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वं मायामयमिदम् अखिलं बुद्ध्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं सुरमन्दिरतरुमूलनिवासः शय्याभूतलम् अजिनं वासः सर्वपरिग्रह भोगत्यागः कस्य सुखं न करोति विरागः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भगवद्गीता किञ्चिदधीता गङ्गाजललव कणिका पीता सकृतप्रियेण मुरारिसमर्था क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहुदुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे ज्ञेयं गीता नाम सहस्रम् ध्येयं श्रीपति रूपमजस्रम् नेयं सज्जन संगे चित्तं देयं दीनजनाय च वित्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम् अर्थमनर्थं भावय नित्यं नास्ति ततः सुख लेश सत्यं पुत्रादपि धन भाजं भीतिः सर्वत्रैषा विहिता रीतिः भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं कुरु चरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्तः गुरु चरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्तः संसारादि चिराद्भवमुक्तः सेन्द्रियमानस नियमदेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निज हृदयस्थं देवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजय हृदयस्थं देवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजय हृदयस्थं देवं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And Shamalaji, thank you for asking. And so now Meenakshi ji probably will conclude with a song on Rama. This is a small song with entire Ramayana put in the song. And again, I just wrote it, and Meenakshi ji infused life into the song. Meenakshi ji.
Okay, thank you. Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Vandeham Tam Shri Bhagavantam Vandeham Tam Shri Bhagavantam Ramam Ramam Ravikula Somam Dasarata Sunum Raghukula Tejam Suravana Bhujam Raghukula Tejam Suravana Bhujam Shridam Shrisam Manushavesham Shriyutakayam Maruti Deyam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Janaki Pranam Bharatatranam Varamuniganam Giripati Dhyanam Varamuniganam Giripati Dhyanam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Munijanakaamam Ranagana Bhimam Jivana Satyam Ravana Mrityu Ramam Ramam Ravikula Somam Dharma Samuham Karma Pravaham Atulita Viram Shrutinutadhiram Ayodhya Punyam Antima Gamyam Anantam Shantam Shri Kanta Kantam Anantam Shantam Shri Kanta Kantam Shri Kanta Kantam Shri Kanta Kantam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Ramam Ramam Shri Ghanashyamam Vandeham Shri Bhagavantam Vandeham. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Meenakshi ji. And Steve, Sri Prada, I know you are there, and are you ready? Yeah.
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay. Steve, are you okay? Can Sri Prada chant Hanuman Chalisa today? Samba.
Yeah, he said yes. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend. So I'll ask you again for Monday or next Friday. And I want to thank Sri Ram for just canceling the session. Sorry, Sri Ram, because we just asked Meenakshi ji, and then she so soulfully sang and made this week a blissful a week of music. Sri
Thank
Ram.
you. I really enjoyed the singing, Meenakshi ji. It was so bhakti filled and it was really amazing. In fact, the next topic that I was planning to cover on the Yoga Sutras was on Samadhi, and I was planning to take the example of how to appreciate music based on the sutras of Patanjali and the different types of Samadhi. And this is a perfect segue. So next week we will see that the different types of Samadhi and how we can enjoy music at different levels. So thank you again so much, Meenakshi ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we can probably ask Dr. Biram and Shamalaji to comment or one or two brief comments, and then ask Sri Prada to chant Hanuman Chalisa and end with Mangala Shloka also. Dr. Biram, I think it is you who requested Bhaja Govinda.
Yes, Dr. Raju, when you said Dr. Shyamala, I know Dr. Shyamala will have a higher weight than I did, so I kept quiet. So beautiful, so beautiful. As you said, reminds every stanza like as if we're hearing from M.S. Subbulakshmi. We're blessed to have her on a regular basis on this program. Thank you, Shanti. Meenakshi.
Meenakshi ji. Shamalaji.
Okay, thank you, Meenakshi ji. What should I say? Meenakshi ji is a very, very special person. She is so humble. She is so devoted, unassuming, and down-to-earth person. As you have all heard, she is a divine singer. She is really an inspiration to all of us during the class, and she has a special musical treat every single Friday for us to enjoy. I have one word which will describe Meenakshi ji. She is Vidya Vinaya Sampanna. I think that word correctly fits Meenakshi ji. Meenakshi ji, we all love you very much. And also, congratulations to Dr. Raju for all that soul-touching poems. Thank you very much, and namaste.
Thank you, Samalaji. You are praised so much. I do not.
No, I was sincere in my words.
Any other, just one or two brief comments, because we may go over a couple of minutes with Sri Prada's Hanuman Chalisa and Mangala Shlokas. Okay, if there are no comments, you can type in the chat box, and Sri Prada, Hanuman Chalisa followed by Mangala Shloka.
Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nija Mana Mukura Sudhara Varano Raghuvara Vimalayasha Jodayak Phalachari Buddhi Natanu Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehuma hai हरऊ कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धाम, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम। महावीर विक्रम भजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन वरण विराज सुवेश, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिवे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज संवारे। लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम्हरो यश गावे, हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा, नारद शारद सहित ईश। यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहाते। तुम्ह उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपत दीन्हा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान के। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जलधि लांघि गई अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरण, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आंपे, तीनों लोक हांकते कांपे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। नाशे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुआरे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान के। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुपति पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से ये सर्व सुख करई। संकट हटे मिटे सब पीड़ा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई, यो शत बार पाठ कर कोई। छूट ही बंधि महासुख होई, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा। होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीश, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान के, जय बोलो हनुमान के। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Thank you, Shri Prada. That was so melodious. Thank you. Next week, Monday, Dr. Biram, do you like to announce? Anup has agreed to cut short the Monday program to suit our plan. Dr. Biram.
Yes, Dr. Raju. We'll have a little longer puja Monday, and Sri Ramji planned mainly for introduction of new Hindu Temple.org website. This is Hindu Temple of Central Texas, Onkara Mahaganapati Devasthanam website, as you all know, is hindutemple.org. So we completely redesigned a new website. Will be going live Monday. So introduction of the website and little longer puja and as usual rest of the program.
Then Tuesday, it will be Shamalaji continuing her sessions on, I think, Dikshitat Navagraha Kritis. Then Wednesday, I have to check either with Dr. Dhani Reddy or Girija Garu. And then Thursday, second Thursday of the month, that would be Jannavi, and probably starting her sessions on Trinities, musical Trinities. And then Friday, Shriram Sarwat.
If we manage to go live before the program, don't be surprised if the website looks different, but it will be very clean. On the top, you will see Rajagopuram and the front of the temple. Just right below, you see six or so items, and the second one, I think, is the healing prayers. And you click on it, you're on the...
Madhav, I understand that the plan is after the puja to make it go live.
Oh,
right?
Okay. Yes, then there is no confusion there.
Thank you. And thank you, Steve. And so we'll next week, Shriram's session and Steve's Hanuman Chalisa on Friday. And Monday, do you rather want Dr. Biram and Anup to make it a nice musical session by everyone singing after the puja? Anup?
It's up to Anup and you, how you want it.
Anup is, I think, unmuted.
No, I'm here. It's up to you. I'm fine.
Okay, then let's make it instead of one sing.
Yeah, I can keep it short and then
Okay,
we can...
so keep it short and then we can have 3 or 4 bhajans. And so anyone who wants to volunteer, please. Sounds good. Yeah. Thank you. Shubharatri.
I have a question. If the website is going to be to go live right after the prayer, will that be an issue for people who are connected through the current website to Zoom?
It should not be, because even if now I joined from the new website, it's still taking me to the same Zoom program. I tried that a couple of times, so.
I also tried that there are two areas in the new website where you can enter the healing prayers, and both of them are active.
Okay.
So Anup, in other words, whichever way we join, it will still bring us to the same program.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Meenakshi Aunty. That was beautiful. Thank you. I didn't want to eat at the time.
Thank you. Shubharatri.
Shubharatri, everyone.